In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sum by categories in Google Sheets on your desktop. Whether you're managing budgets, analyzing sales data, or simply keeping track of household expenses, this tutorial will show you an efficient way to categorize and total your values using simple formulas and features within Google Sheets. First, begin by opening the Google Sheet that you want to work with. Make sure that this spreadsheet includes at least two columns, one for your categories and another for the values you want to total. Having a clear and organized sheet is crucial for avoiding errors later on, so take a moment to ensure everything is in place. Now, focus on the area where you'd like the sum of these categories to appear. Choose an empty cell. This is where the total for the specific category will display. Click on the cell to activate it for entering formulas. Here's where we leverage the power of the sumif function, which is extremely handy for this type of task. You'll want to type the following formula: sumif, category range, category name, value range. This formula prompts Google Sheets to sum up values based on the specific category you define. Replace category range with the cell range containing your categories, and value range with the range enclosing your numerical values. Don't forget to replace category name with the exact name of the category you're interested in. This means if your categories are listed from A2 to A10 and your values from B2 to B10, it might look something like sumif, A2, A10, groceries, B2, B10. Hit the Enter key, and right away you'll see the total for your specified category. Google Sheets will automatically calculate and insert the sum based on your data, saving you time and minimizing the chance of calculating errors manually. To get sums for additional categories, you can simply repeat this process. If your data set uses dynamic references, you can also drag the formula down to apply it to other categories quickly, streamlining the task even further. For a quick overview or a more comprehensive summary of all categories at once, consider using a pivot table. Pivot tables are powerful tools within Google Sheets that can summarize, analyze, and explore your data effortlessly, offering a neat solution if you want to visualize all category sums simultaneously without manually entering multiple formulas. And there you have it. This easy-to-follow process allows you to sum by categories efficiently in Google Sheets on your desktop. With these steps under your belt, managing, organizing, and analyzing data can be both quick and rewarding. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating.